Hi everyone, today I wanted to make a video explaining what the diminished row of buttons does on the left hand of the accordion. The diminished row is this one, this last row. Your accordion may have it if you have 6 buttons. If you don't, you just have these. So let's go through them. We'll start with the indented C. That's our key itself. We have the one below it, which is our major. The one below that one, which is a minor. The one below that one, which is a 7th chord. And then the one below that one, which is the diminished chord. I've never played the diminished chord. I usually don't play it, but it's found in music. So I wanted to explain what a diminished chord is, how to build it, and we'll look at some examples on how to play it. I'm in front of the piano because it's sometimes a little bit easier to explain things looking at a piano rather than looking at a accordion's right hand. So let's dive right into it. How do you build a diminished chord? I'm going to switch over to the piano. A diminished chord. Let's take a C. A C diminished chord. We build a C major by going the root, C, going up 4 half steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 3 more. 1, 2, 3. That's our C major, right? C, E, G. How do we build a minor? We go the root, C, 1, 2, 3, and then plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's our C minor. And it sounds like a minor tone. A diminished goes like this. You go 1 plus 3 plus 3. 1, the root, plus 3, plus 3. Oh, and it sounds confusing and weird, right? It sounds strange. Here's what it sounds like on the accordion. We have our C major. We have our C minor. And then our C diminished. There's that, right? Oh, really kooky. That's how we build it. That's what it sounds like. How do we play it? So I'm going to switch over to A minor, and I'll show you where it happens. So in a song like Summertime, Summertime goes like this. Did you catch that? I'll move it up here so you can see. So it's... So summertime, and then that's a B diminished, right? That's a B minor diminished chord. So the B major looks like this, B minor looks like this, and a B diminished looks like this, right? B, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There's our B diminished chord. So the B diminished, or the diminished chord, usually comes in, it's an in-between chord. You wouldn't, I don't know of many songs that just sit on the diminished, right? It's kind of an in-between chord. It's an in-between chord between the minor, 1, and the 5, or the 1, 2, 5 turnaround. You'll often have a diminished in there. So Summertime has the A minor. You could sing it as summertime, and the living is easy. That's just 1, 5, 1. You could have summertime, and the living is easy. That's the minor 4, 5, 1. With a diminished, it goes like this. Summertime, and the living is easy. We find it in Black Orpheus. Right, there's our B diminished. Again. So again, that's a minor 1, diminished, minor 2, basically diminished 2, to a 5, back to a 1. On the accordion, it works really well. So if we were to play Summertime, we're in A minor. Right? I'm emphasizing the diminished, but it's A minor. to the minor 2. Ba, ba, ba. Whoa. Ba, 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 ba. To the major 5, back to the minor 1. If you're playing by yourself, sure, I think use it, right? Playing lead. If you're comping, if you're accompanying someone and just checka-chaing, it sounds a bit nicer because you can complement that with some right hand. So if you want to practice diminished, learn how to build them. And again, the most frequent use is, it's called in jazz, where we're going from the minor 1, A minor, to the minor 2, which is just moving it up 1. The A minor to the B minor diminished is just here, or B diminished, right? So if you're going to practice comping, it would be A minor. Or, let's do another one. So I would practice diminished, essentially our triads and arpeggios. So going up and down in whatever key that you're going to hit that diminished in. If the song's in A minor, the diminished is going to be the 2, so I would do the B diminished. If I'm playing a song in D minor, so summertime, there's the E diminished. So again, practice diminished in different keys. But again, I just wanted to give you an explanation of what is a diminished chord and how to build it on the accordion. Yeah, it's sometimes substitutable with a minor 4 because they're close, but it doesn't sound exactly like the diminished. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope it's not overly technical. And for those of you that study music, it's probably not technical enough, but I hope it gives you a bit of an idea of what a diminished chord is. If you want to learn music, head on over to accordionlove.com. We have sheet music and lessons about everything that we cover in this channel. Thank you. Enjoy.